The Air Jordan 4 is gearing up for a massive 2025, with an exciting slate of retros, collaborations, and new colorways. Among the highlights is a kids' exclusive drop, the Air Jordan 4 Blue Chill, perfectly timed for the colder months ahead. This winter-inspired edition brings a refreshing twist to the iconic silhouette, ensuring young sneaker fans don't miss out on the heat. While official images haven't been unveiled, early leaks from Sneaker Market hint at a frosty palette featuring Photon Dust, Blue Chill, Flat Pewter, White, and Blue Tint. These shades blend to create a cool, seasonal vibe that's both stylish and playful. Speculative renders give us a glimpse of what to expect, though the final version may reveal unique materials, textures, and detailing true to Jordan Brand's evolving design language. Whether for school or streetwear, the Blue Chill edition is shaping up to be a standout release for kids this year.